ColdStart Garage. If you clicked on this video, you needed inspiration to go work on your own machines, even if it's just basic maintenance. There's definitely a machine you own that needs an oil change. So after you watch this video, get off your ass and go do something, even if it's wrong. What we got here? So I got this generator from my uncle. He only wanted 2 bottles of bourbon for it. Whiskey? It's Jameson. So it's been sitting for a couple years. It looks brand new. So I'm just gonna run it with the old gas, get the oil hot, drop the oil. I'll probably pull the carb off just to make sure it's easy starting from here on out. All right, let's see if she runs. Might have to give it a snort. Yep, she's getting a snort. Look at that air filter, guys. Looks brand new. Smells like old varnished gas. That'll be enough. Yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna let this run a little bit. Get some degrees in that oil before I drop it. Yeah, that's with no choke to the full run. Well, it's running a little better. I think it needs that intake restriction to run correctly. It's been running for about 5 minutes on bad gas and very old oil. So I'm gonna kill it right now. Alright. Have some degrees in the oil. Yeah! Lift with your back! Ooh, exhaust right there. Ha! Okay. I'll get back to you when I figure out how to drain that. Well, let's see what this does. I'm gonna make a mess. Yep, right, Ranch. I smell nothing but old gas and varnish, which is okay. It definitely has some stabilizer in there, which is probably why it's still able to run. Ugh. My funnel. How hot is it? And is it just gonna miss completely? Ooh. Genius. Yeah, it's barely has any viscosity anymore. Drain that out, then I'll get back to you when I'm ready to put more oil in it. How many of you wait till it's snowing out before you do maintenance on stuff? Well, y'all know I do. I'll get a screwdriver. Do you guys know anything about this machine? Are they any good? I see good things about them on the internet there. Just saturated in carbon choke cleaner. Love doing stuff in the winter. The carb probably is fine, guys, but it was stored with gas in the bowl for I don't know how long. And in an emergency, which it could happen up here, winters used to get bad. Where's that go? Oh, it goes in the, yep, fingered it out. Oh, hey, you're right in my way. This thing looks brand new. All right. I'm gonna get that fuel line off there, and next time you'll see this will be in the shed. Well. Let's get in that. Okay. You made me do it. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Huh. Pleasantly surprised by how clean that is. Good job, guys. The stable really helped out. It's pretty clean. You guys don't have a pilot, it just has a main jet. Get out of there. which we'll just give this a little spray with some carb choke cleaner. Spray this on. This thing's mint. I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, you can see a little bit of varnish in there, but that's to be expected. Ooh. Oh, it's all over the place. Yep, fresh gas is all she needs, guys. Alright, that's enough of that. Go back together. How's it go back together? Just trying to find a hole. There it is. Found it. Sure. Looks great. Yeah! Hold on. Nope. We'll leave this off so I can drain the tank. Oh, or can I just use that? I'll just leave it off for now. Yep, need that on first. I'm gonna go get my Loctite. Told you I'd be back. Because it gets all the vibrations. I don't want it sucking in these nuts. Grow up, Adam. Never. I'll never grow up. So we're just gonna gradually snug this. Full choke. Get in your hole. Oh, yeah. See that? Get in your other hole. That. Oh, my oil drainer 9000. Is it this way? Looks like it. I'm pretty pumped to have this machine, guys. It really changes everything in an emergency situation. You guys like go-karts? Do you guys like motors on bicycles? I do all that kind of stuff too. We have fun on this channel. Junk! There we go. Dirty whole bags. We'll drag you. On it. Ow! Yeah! All for reviews, I guess. Yeah!
I like it. He's not rated for welding.
Whoa! Smells like chloroform. Let's get some oil back in this. I'm not gonna Loctite that. Get out of here. I hate those chain guards if you couldn't tell. So some people will go to the manuals online to figure out how much oil this takes. But why don't we just measure how much I took out, put that back in? Just shy of 500 milliliters or 16 fluid ounces. I'm getting there. Got an old oil collection jug next to your shed. Pretty sure you could just fill these till they overflow. But what we're gonna do, look at that. It calls for 10W30. I'm gonna use full synthetic. Put in exactly how much we took out. It's really that easy, guys. Make sure you get all the snowflakes in it too. There's just an easier way to do this. A longer funnel will be nice. Oh boy. How many dick jokes do you need in one video, Adam? Shh. Not while I'm pouring. Good enough. There, it's tilted in the better direction. Let's see what this does. Oh, that's already vented. It's flowing pretty good. This is a little weird. Well, you got the point. How many shakes do you give it when you're done? Before it's considered playing with it. Man, I wish I didn't put everything back together. Yep, sure you can see everything in my head in the way. Ah, I did it. I'm good at this. And just like that, we got general maintenance done. Oil's changed, and now we just gotta put the freshest gas possible we could get in it. And I'm gonna go down the store and get some non-ethanol gas. And I'm just gonna put a splash in it because I don't wanna store this with a bunch of gas just to go bad. All right, a little splash of Rooney Dooney. That should be enough to get it running. way better on fresh gas. Carb's out of gas. That's what we want. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching my very first video of 2024. If you want to see anything about a motor bicycle build with a Italian motor, a Minarelli playlist is right here. And I do a lot more of this kind of stuff. Well, I won't say a lot more, but check the movies. Thanks for watching ColdStart Garage.